First of all, I would like to wish all HDFC Security customers wish you a very, very happy Diwali and New Year. I would like to recommend some of the stocks as Diwali picks over here. First of all, I think we are, as a country and as an economy, we are on the uptick, mainly led by very, very good government, even very supportive RBI, decent monsoons, 7th Pay Commission, which is putting money in the hands of people, and GDP, which is a most progressive reform. So I would say that financials will be the key beneficiaries of this uptick in the economy. So first two names will be financials, which is Kotak Mahindra Bank and LIC Housing Finance. Kotak Mahindra Bank is one of the most disciplined lender with one of the best managements, and most importantly, they have not lent money to any highly leveraged corporate. So book is absolutely clean. Only issue was ING Vaishya Bank merger, which brought some portion of the books as 6% of ING Vaishya Bank's book, and so now 2.5% of Kotak's book was bad. But in this quarter, I think all the provisionings will be done. So from next quarter, there is going to be a fantastic growth in earnings. I will not be surprised if Kotak grows its earning about 25 to 30% for next many years, because credit cost is going to decline, cost to income ratio is going to decline, and loan book is going to grow at minimum 20% because they have highest tier 1 in the industry, which is 15.6%. Plus they have small pieces of insurance, mutual fund and broking business, which are all poised to grow many-fold from here. So Kotak Mahindra Bank will be my top pick in the financial space. Second will be, of course, LIC Housing Finance. It's a compounding story. It continues to grow at about 20%. Now there is a margin improvement led by decline in bond yields. In last quarter, the bond yields, their cost of borrowing declined by 35 bips, while their actually lending yields declined by only 20 bips. So I think margin improvement plus 20% growth will lead to even accelerated, that is around 25% earning growth. Stock is available at very comfortable valuation of 11-12 times FY18 and 2.5 times FY18. So I think these are the two secular financial picks for Diwali from my side. On industrial side, I would like to recommend Carborundum Universal. It is a Murugappa Group company, again a very, very good group and good management. And abrasives are generally grow at 1.5 times GDP and are used in auto components, construction, fabrication, and all this industry are poised for a very big leap. So I would say that Carborundum Universal is also a multi-year compounding story from my side. On the commodities front, or you can say mining front, MOIL continues to be a very attractive story, where even so right now manganese ore prices have gone up from $2 to $7, mainly led by bankruptcies in Australia. Many mines have closed down. So at $7, if I see, the upside in MOIL works out to be minimum around 60-70%. At a very conservative valuation of just 6 times EBITDA. So I would say that these 5 are my top picks on Diwali occasion, and of course sectorally I am also positive on pesticides, where I like Rallis and PI Industries, and on the construction side NCC and PNC Infratech. Thanks a lot.